To this channel. So today we want to see if this project is real or it's a scam. So it's called GXT Exchange. So what is a GXT Exchange? Is a centralized exchange that I'll say they are going to provide both spot trading, P2P, futures market, every thing that the exchange does. So it's same as Binance or OKX. So we are going to see if there are also many red flags in this project. So if you click the link will be in the description. So what I advise most people is just to do it for free. Do not deposit any money yet. Do not deposit any money yet. So we are going to do it for free. As you can see, if you can register. It's very easy to register. You just click on register and you input your details. So the link will be in the description. So what you're going to do is the first thing, if you click on a spot, you're going to see your balance and you're going to see the pre-sale. Also, you're going to see Launchpad and GXT mining. So what you're going to do is click on GXT mining so that you can be able to mine for free. Remember, you are doing it for free. Just click on claim GXT this way, claiming. You can see claimed GXT. And the first thing you have realized is everything that they are doing, they are advertising the pre-sale too much. So that is the first red flag. So as you can see, you can mine this for free. So what you're going to do is go back to your homepage. So let's see if this project is real or not. So the first thing is click on settings. If you click on your profile, you can see there are not many things on the profile. For a new exchange, there is only KYC. You do only KYC. So the second thing is they have a pre-sale. Let's go to their pre-sale for the launchpad. So if you go to their pre-sale, they are saying they have pre-sale is done on stage 1 and stage 2 are complete. They have sold out. But the problem is you cannot see the contract address so that you can go and verify yourself. You can see the contract address should be available in this page. It should be available for everyone to go and check the contract address so that you can see where the funds are going. The second is they are saying that the exchange, if you go back to the profile, this is an exchange. It means that many people are depositing and withdrawing and trading. There is a trading volume, and every exchange you can see the everything on the blockchain. So even the exchange itself has not provided the contract address of the exchange so that you can see the trading volume. So when you go to CoinMarketCap, there is nothing that like the GXT exchange. When you go to cryptorank.com, there is nothing like GXT exchange. Even when you go to Twitter, I will go to Twitter and show you. Even when you ask Grok or Meta, it will definitely say that it's a scam. So the second thing that this might be a scam, there is no exchange that is going to show you the price of the token that it has not already listed. As you can see, I have 111 GXT and it says that current value is $22. So these might be just to show you, to show off. And also they are saying that the listing price will be 0.6. That is quite huge from the pre-sale. The pre-sale currently is 0.2. That's almost 3x your money. So they are just trying to attract you to this project so that you can participate in the pre-sale. So many people have said they deposited but they are unable to withdraw. Others, their account have been freezed so that they cannot withdraw. When you try to withdraw, it says withdraw has been suspended. So you must be very, very careful. The reason why people are withdrawing, there is this page where if you go to GXT mining, And remember, guys, you should do this airdrop for free, never input any money. So as you can see, if you go to a GXT airdrop, you'll see that there is a price where when you deposit certain amount of money, you get huge GXT. If you deposit $500, you get 500 GXT, or $100, you get 100 GXT. Ask yourself why they are convincing you to deposit that money. So, um, even looking at this project right now, I remember there was another project. It was called MemeX Exchange, and it ended up being a scam. And they had the same um, UI of an exchange. So many people are creating these fake exchanges so that they can be able to take pre-sale money. And ask yourself why they have done a lot of pre-sale exchange, yet there are no big whales commenting on Twitter how they have raised a huge amount of money. So meaning most probably it will be a scam. So if you click on, you can see they are putting at volume of 84 million. So if you click on GXT exchange against USDT, you're going to see this kind of interface. Now you wonder, if you click on sell, how can you trade this, yet it has not yet been listed? If you click on, let's say, all of my tokens, I cannot sell these tokens. So if I click on buy, you'll be forced to go and buy from the pre-sale. So I think you should avoid depositing money here. So if you go to their Twitter account, you're going to see that they are giving out $500 so that they can be able to tell people to come and buy their tokens. Yet they are not giving people those money. So even if they give you that money to this exchange, you're not going to withdraw the money. So if you click on withdraw, I've not yet tried to withdraw my money because I know it might be a scam. If I click on try to send, let me try to send. Okay, send option temporarily disabled. It will be enabled after TG on 28 August. So you can see many things you cannot do here. I don't know if you can withdraw. You can see even withdraw system temporarily available. It will be available on 28 August. So everyone who deposited money here cannot withdraw until 28 August. By 28th of August, they'll have already gone. So do not deposit any money here. So this is definitely a scam and you should avoid it.